It's me once again. It's Joy Akinlulu on the show where we talk about everything that had to do with business, everything that had to do with you making money one way or the other. But today, I'm going to talk about how to spellbind people to buying from you. This is more like hypnosis. It's more like making them do what they're supposed to do when they're supposed to do it. So you're going to love this. But first, I want to beg you to do something. Just look around this video and look for the subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button, click the bell icon, follow me on YouTube so that you can get more goodies like this. Now, how to spellbind people to buying from you. Now, in order for you to do this, I want you to be a fraudster. Yeah, yes, I want you to be a fraudster. Being a fraudster now, I'm not talking about the bad one, but if you understudy these guys, you understudy how they work, you're able to apply it into your own business. So, why am I asking you to do this? Because fraudsters use it a lot and it works for them. So if it works for them, you can copy something that is working in their own industry and bring it. I'm not at any point saying you should be a bad person, but you can look around and see marketing activities being used in business. Well, what do these people use? What is the answer? What do they actually use? You're looking at a blank space. What do they use? Yes, the answer is proof. They use proof. They know that proof works every time, everywhere, no matter what happens, it works. So what do they normally do? The fraudsters will try to show you that it's going to work and it actually works. It works for people and it is working for someone right now. So while you're thinking, will I lose my money? They're telling you people don't lose money. They try to show you a cooked up story about 1,000 people, 10,000 people that are already using. And because we're all social animals, we want to believe what the person is saying. So I want you to also do the same thing. Show that what you do, whatever it is, service, product, show that it works. Show the people the testimonials of happy customers, happy clients that say something about you. But when it comes to testimonial, I'm going to show you how to have a good testimonial because your testimonial must be able to answer people's objection. But that's not what we're talking about today. But you want to show them testimonials of happy customers. You want to show them case studies of people who were nobody and became somebody. People who came to you, they have bad hair, but by the time they started visiting your salon, you took them from bad hair to good hair. You are an event planner. People come to you. Uh, they're from confusion to clarity of the royal wedding. You produce something. Whatever it is you do, you can make good use of this. A lot of people don't even ask for testimonials. People don't even do case studies. If you have issues around this too, just hit me up and I'll show you how to do this in your own business. So when next someone asks you, is it going to work? Or somebody's been doubtful about your goods and services, your product or your services, they're doubtful about it, send them testimonials, send them case studies, and watch what happens. Now, this is the story. Even if they don't know the people, they have never seen them, they've never met them before, but for the fact that they are not the first person to patronize you, they will buy from you. So invariably, you have spellbinded them. And I think I've answered your question how to spellbind people to buy from you. Use case studies, use testimonials. My name is Joy Akinlulu. And don't forget, click the subscribe button and the icon so that you do not miss anything from me. See you tomorrow.